Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram notes not showing up on your Instagram account. So at first guys, you need to go to your Instagram account, and as you can see, I do not have the notes option, but I'm not sure why. Maybe because I'm in a different country. But let me just show you how to fix this problem that the notes is not showing up. So first things first is you go to your main account and go to this upper right corner, there's three lines here, and you go to settings and you would find privacy. Once you're in privacy, you go to active status. Alright, so once you're in active status, if you see that these are not enabled, show activity status, you need to enable both of these two. And then you might actually see that the notes is now available on the feature. However, there's also circumstances that you need to go to your Play Store and make sure that Instagram application is up to date, because that's the only reason why Instagram is not working perfectly. However, you just need to check again on the updates if it's available. So, alright, so that's gonna be it. So that's how you fix notes not showing up on your Instagram account. I hope you like it.